iLib AI is one of the best newly released AI software tools on the market today. And in this review, I'm going to cover 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive in. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or just looking to explore the latest AI trends, you'll want to stick around for this breakdown. Plus, you can try iLib AI for completely free with the link below, so make sure to check that out. So let's get right into it. First up, iLib AI is all about simplifying digital marketing and automation tasks that often take hours or even days. This software is designed to help you streamline repetitive tasks like content creation, customer communication, and data analysis, making it a powerful asset for any online business. One of the most exciting features is its intuitive interface. iLib AI has been created with users in mind. So even if you're not a tech expert, you won't feel overwhelmed by the complexity of the software. It's designed to make automation accessible to anyone, whether you're just starting or have years of experience. What really sets iLib AI apart is its ability to generate high-quality content with just a few inputs. Whether you're creating social media posts, blog articles, or email sequences, iLib AI can generate tailored content that matches your voice and tone. This can save you so much time and energy, especially if you're a marketer working on multiple campaigns at once. Another standout feature is its deep integration with other platforms. iLib AI connects seamlessly with tools you're already using, like Google Analytics, social media platforms, and email marketing software. This allows for a smoother workflow, so you don't need to jump between different tools to get things done. For those of you worried about data privacy, iLib AI has you covered. It uses industry standard encryption to ensure your data is secure. Plus, it has strict privacy policies in place, which is critical in today's environment, where data breaches and privacy violations are becoming more common. Next, let's talk about scalability. Whether you're a small business or a large corporation, iLib AI grows with you. You can start with a basic plan and upgrade as your needs expand. This scalability makes it a great option for long-term growth, giving you the flexibility to adjust your usage based on what works for you. Another thing worth mentioning is the customer support team. Unlike other AI tools that leave you hanging when you need help, iLib AI offers 24/7 customer support. Whether you need technical assistance or just have a question about how to make the most of the software, they've got your back. Lastly, iLib AI is packed with advanced analytics. With its powerful reporting features, you can track the performance of your content and campaigns. It gives you insights into what's working and what's not, allowing you to optimize your strategy for better results. To wrap this up, iLib AI is definitely worth considering if you're in need of a high-quality, user-friendly, and secure AI software for your digital marketing efforts. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and this one stands out in terms of its value and performance. Remember, you can try iLib AI for free with the link in the description below, along with my recommended AI tools that I've personally tested. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link to see for yourself why iLib AI is one of the best newly released AI software tools out there.